Hi, this is Rena from LaMoreDesign. Our customers often ask us how they can keep their ring clean and sparkly and in good condition. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a few tips on how you can clean your ring from home, as well as keep your ring in good condition and sparkly as new. Every LaMoreDesign ring comes with a ring box and a complimentary jewelry cleaning cloth. The ring box is the perfect place for you to store your ring when you're not wearing it, to keep it away from dust and dirt. The jewelry cleaning cloth is perfect for you to gently wipe away any fingerprints, dust, or dirt on the surface of the ring. Next, I'm going to be sharing with you a few tips on how you can keep your ring clean and in good condition. First, when removing the ring from the ring box, you want to do so from the band or the side of the ring, not from the head of the ring where the center stone is. When taking the ring out of the ring box from the head, you can easily have a fingerprint go on the head of the ring. So when taking the ring out of the ring box, you want to do so from the side, the band of the ring. Same when you're putting your ring on your finger. You want to handle it from the band and place it on your finger like so. Next, we advise that when you're about to do any heavy-duty physical activity, such as weightlifting, Pilates, swimming, that you remove your ring before doing so, as these heavy-duty physical activities can easily damage your ring from all the impact of the physical activity. Next, you want to remove your ring before you're about to do any household cleaning, washing the dishes, before shampooing, before dyeing your hair, before applying lotion, hand sanitizer. You want to remove the ring before doing all these things to avoid making the center stone dull and cloudy and less shiny over time. Next, I'm going to demonstrate for you how you can clean your ring from home. First, you're going to need a cup of warm water, a gentle cleanser such as hand soap or dish soap, a spoon to mix the mixture, a soft bristle toothbrush such as a used toothbrush, not a new toothbrush as the bristles will be too hard, so a soft bristle toothbrush, Q-tips, depending on the softness of the gemstone of your ring, a bowl of clean water to rinse, and a jewelry cleaning cloth to dry your ring. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can clean an aquamarine ring. First, you're going to take the cup of warm water and drop just a few drops of the dish soap or hand soap that you have, and you're going to mix this mixture with a spoon. Next, you're going to gently place the ring into the cup and soak it for about 15 to 30 minutes. After leaving it in there for about 15 to 30 minutes, you're going to take the ring out and take your toothbrush, get some of that mixture onto that toothbrush, and gently scrub the band of the ring that has the diamonds on it. You can even scrub the back of the ring, like so. And even a little bit of the head of the ring. For this particular ring, what you don't want to do is you don't want to use a toothbrush on this aquamarine center stone. Gemstones like aquamarine and morganite have much softer gemstones, so you want to use a Q-tip, dip it into the mixture, and gently wipe away any dirt, dust, or oils that have accumulated. Next, you're going to rinse your ring in the bowl. And give that a look. If you feel that it's still not clean, don't worry, you can always continue cleaning it until you feel that it'll be clean, rinse it again, and back. Once you're done, you want to take your jewelry cleaning cloth immediately and dry the ring. You don't want to wait and leave the ring to air dry yet, just because you don't want any water stains on the ring and on the center stone. So you're going to immediately dry the ring with the jewelry cleaning cloth, and from there you can air dry the ring and leave that for about 30 minutes. And now you have a clean and sparkly ring. We at LaMoreDesign also offer a professional ring cleaning and maintenance service for rings made by us. Please contact us at hello@lamoredesign.com to schedule your ring cleaning service. We hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.